Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Victory Rolls Hairstyle Easy Guide. Start with dry, brushed hair and a light heat protectant. Divide hair into even sections using a tail comb and clip away what you are not using. Work on one side at a time and curl sections before rolling for extra hold. Use bobby pins to secure each roll and finish with flexible hold hairspray for a soft vintage look. Begin by creating a deep side part and marking the roll area with your comb. Tease the roots gently where the roll will sit to add volume and hold. Wrap each pre-curled section inward toward the scalp, keeping tension even as you shape the roll. Secure with 2 or 3 bobby pins, crossing them for extra security. Smooth the outer surface with a soft brush and mist with hairspray for lasting definition. If your rolls feel floppy, tighten your technique by using smaller sections and more pins for control. For thick or straight hair, pre-curling each section helps the roll maintain its curve and shape. If pins show through, slide a small comb along the base to hide them or wrap a tiny strand around the pin. Practice on one side until you feel confident, then replicate for a balanced, polished vintage finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.